Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I'm very super excited to share this project with you. I created a clutch folio, so if you are interested in the design for this book, I'll leave a tutorial at the top of the description box for you. It holds about 45 photos or more, and this time I used painted petals. Okay, beautiful paper studio design. It has no cut aparts or anything like that, so I had to create my own little, I fussy cut my own images out and things of the sort. I had seriously so much fun putting this together. It only took me a day. Now right here on the front cover I do have a flower right out of my stash, some of those little cacti. We have some of these little flowers from Hobby Lobby, and then I have a super cute white and black feather. Okay, I fussy cut this image out of the paper line, actually out of this design paper right here. We have split leaf philodendron in purple, which I think those leaves are absolutely gorgeous. And so here's the side and the back. And I did this leather handle on the top, and I just attached it with some brads right there. I show you how to do that in the tutorial as well. And it will be using the Rhapsody paper from Photoplay. So of course you can incorporate any kind of paper you wish in any of these books. They're all versatile. So I have a magnetic closure right here. Love that snap sound. This opens up, and I'm gonna have to keep this in frame somehow. Here's the bottom panel. We can start right down here. I fussy cut a flower out, and this little band pulls down, and we have a 4x4 waterfall right there. Beautiful. I did some paint inside there between the little gussets. In the gussets, I should say. And you've got picture space right there for 5 photos already. How fantastic is that? We have a side pocket, and I did a different little element here. Look at that, beautiful. Couple paint dots right there. I actually used a tag, and then I punched one side, punched this side, and sliced it in my paper trimmer, so that was a cool little design right there. Love, love, love using journaling lines. So right up here, we have a picture space also right here, and of course this is a plastic frame. Love it. I did a little banner strip. I just fussy cut those out of the paper line as well as that. So this goes down, and this is pocket access right up here. And these fold down. Beautiful little fussy cut images again. Photo space, strips of the design paper. Fabulous. Okay, more of that paint. We have 2 little 3x3 photo spaces right there. And then inside here, this flap is actually a pocket, so I've got some cute little tags in there. And I did a square punch notch at the top just for a different design. And we got some journaling lines on there. 2 photo spaces on the back as well, and then we have some more fussy cut little banners, little images, access to the pocket right here on the side. And then I created this cute little pouch, and you can put anything in here, your travels, maybe tickets, stuff like that. But for me, I just stuck this cute little journaling card in there. And there's that tag punch again. And you just tie this back up to keep it closed. And then these fold down as well. Another 4x4 photo space right there. Try saying that 5 times fast. Okay, so we have another little pouch there. Again, I went along with my pen and I added some brads. So this is a beautiful closure. Anyone can make these books. That's what's so fun. Stay tuned for the tutorial trailer so you can see my teaching style. Okay, beautiful little photo spaces, journaling spaces, you name it. Okay, absolutely fantastic. You learn the basics of how to make books, and you will be absolutely on your way. That's what's so great about this craft. A couple more of those little adorable little banners, okay? Doesn't get more cute than that. Again, we have another page right here. I love that plastic look in the frames, okay? More photo space. Right here we have a cute little layout. That flips down again. It just keeps going. And I did some journaling lines on some photo mats just to kind of add some more personality. I'm gonna slide this down now because this flap goes this way. And this one over here, 4x6 photo space, no cropping necessary whatsoever. And then we have stacked pockets. I had so much fun making this. If you have not created this book yet, this is one that you will absolutely enjoy, and anyone can do it. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. See you next time. Bye. Okay, 2 each. So here's the 2, and here's the back of that. This is the wonderful, beautiful 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet, we've got all the images that we would ever need. This is a little assortment of different feathers. Okay, so I want to show you something really quickly. I don't know if you noticed this about medium weight, but there's a bendy side, and then if you rotate it, it's stiffer. This direction. Instead of starting up here, I'm going to go towards this, just like that. Start again at the bottom. Rotate, line that up again. Don't be hard on yourself on this part. Remember, this is handmade. And I'm going to show you how I attach the score tape on the back. I like to use 1/4 inch score tape. You can go ahead and use whatever favorite adhesive it is that you want. Okay, remember, this is your book. You do it your way. I'm just here to show you the basic construction, and I want your imagination to just take you on your journey. Okay, we're all going to make these different. I'm going to make it as simple as possible. I'm going to stop right here. I'm not going to cut all the way up. And then when you're ready, let's stick it down the middle first, and then go to diagonal. Let's line this guy up with the 4 3/4 inch side along the top, and we're going to score at 5/8 of an inch. Back to the E-pocket. Now that he's ready, I'm going to go ahead and have this in the open position. The score mark right here is going to line up with the top of this edge. So just right where it meets that point, and then there you have it. Okay, so I'm not going to shove this all the way in. I'm going to stop right where I get right there. And then I'm going to punch it. Maybe I want the wood grain. Maybe I want that. So that's 2 pieces, 4 1/4 by 6 3/8. And then 2 pieces for the inside. To save paper, I'm only going to make mine 3 3/4 by 6. And I'm also going to do the same thing to my other one. To show you 3/8 mark at the edge.